Stay cool in the new Winnebago Solis. It does not have roof air conditioner, so Winnebago has integrated a variation of screens throughout the coach. These are rear screen doors that simply unattach from the sides, zips down, and provides you with front air or fresh air ventilation. And then on the rear doors, we have these blackout panels that simply zip down for privacy at night, and then you can roll them away to keep it nice and neat. For fresh air ventilation if you left your rear doors open. We also do feature a max air vent, deluxe vent fan above the rear bed here for our additional ventilation as well. For additional ventilation, Winnebago features this side screen door. It has zippers on both sides, so you simply zip down each side. It also has a entrance and exit door, easy in and out for you and your pets. It also, when it closes, keeps the bugs out nice and tight.